So the first thing you're going to want to do is import the pygame module. Then you need to define pygame. And once you've done that, you then need to set the screen width and screen height. This will control how high the window is for your game. Once you've done this, you need to define the screen setup. Next, you need to define the X and Y variables for your image. And then finally, you need to add the variable for your image. In this case, I've gone with robot, and then you need to add all the setup in, and then what the name of your image. For me, it's hello.png. For you, it's whatever you have the image saved as. After that, you need to set a variable called run to true, and create a while statement saying while true screen dot, and then you need to set what color you want the background to be. Then you need to define what a key press is using the pygame getKeyPress variable. Once you've done this, you can then define what keys you want to it recognise. In this case, I've gone with the classic W, A, S and D keys. And then making sure you've got the indentation right, you need to change it so that the X and Y variables correspond to what key is being pressed. And then, to make it easier, you can copy and paste the code so you don't have to write everything out again. But making sure to change the X and Y variable and the key being pressed. Once you've done that, you need to use the screen.blit and then your image variable, and then inside another pair of brackets X and Y. Finally, you need to set pygame and then display and update so it runs your code and allows the character to move around. And when you run, and earlier I made a mistake in the code, so this is the updated code which should allow your program to run smoothly with your image. So there you go, a basic pygame module where you can use the WASD keys to move a image around.